My baby is leaving me. For the first time, she'll be staying at her grandma's house. I've never been without my child overnight, so I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm kind of happy because I don't have to hear no whining, but I'm sad because when I wake up and turn over, I won't see her beside me. I might look like I'm playing, but I'm so serious. All right, let's go ahead and pack her bag up. Okay, she got some wipes in here, but no diapers. Did you have a good nap, little girl? Bless you. You ready to go to your grandma's house? Just gotta take this every day. This is vitamin D. I'm gonna put this in here. Here's her little pajamas. I feel like she's not even gonna put these on, but I'm gonna just pack them. I don't be putting pajamas on her every night, I'm gonna be honest, so she might not do it. And we got another bottle, and then got her water in this one. Now let's get her snacks ready. I bought my baby a bunch of snacks the other day, so she's already tried these ones and she loves them. But she has a new favorite. I did not think that she was gonna like these, but I've been giving them to her and she tears them up. These are almond butter puffs. She loves them. And I got these little containers that my uncle's wife bought her. I love watching her eat. Let's put a few other little almond butter puffs in here. This is so cute. I am weak at this little container. I'm gonna give her a strawberry banana. Oops. We'll just pack these two. All her bags of milk. Got 5 bags, and then this is banana oatmeal and cinnamon apple. Where are you going? Are you ready? You ready to go? Are you ready? Got her bag packed. Got the milk and the purees in here. Look at that. My girl is real active, okay? Busybody. Busy body. I'm gonna miss you. Are you gonna miss me? It is 9:10 a.m. and this is what I pumped yesterday. I'm about to go ahead and fill this bag up. I slept through the entire night, so I did not pump. So this is what I have so far. I think it's about 2 ounces in both of these. I am gonna pump again so I can empty them, but I think I might be getting sick. Here is the other one, got 5 ounces. Now I'm about to start a new bag. Oh no. How is he not dead? This one right here is done, and then I'm gonna pump some more so I can fill this one up. And then I have 2 fresh bags. I'm currently pumping right now, and this feels so uncomfortable. I have not pumped both sides at the same time in so long. I'm about to go ahead and wash my comforter. I've been giving my baby snacks, and she didn't mess this comforter up so bad. And then I'm probably gonna vacuum my floor because I have hair on my floor. I'm not gonna lie, I am starting to miss my baby. I've been cool, but now I'm starting to miss her. I can't wait to give her lots of kisses and hugs. I'm outside now. It is 7:30. I'm about to go into Kroger and pick up a few things, and then I'm going to get my baby. I miss my baby. I'm missing her now. Little break was long enough. I need her back with me. I'm about to just go in here and get a few snacks for our movie night, and then we need some eggs, and then I'll probably pick up something for me to eat tonight. It's raining outside, and it is so dark. Like, it's dangerous out here. I could barely see the freaking road. So I need to get back in the house. That's what I picked up so far: some mangoes, bananas, and some bread. And then I got some chicken wings and some tenderloin. I can't help it. I had to come down the baby aisle, and I found some more snacks for her. I think she'll like these. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. I missed you. You back home? I gotta put the groceries up. So I'll just open these. And so far, she's eating them. This is carrot and strawberry, apple and sweet potato, some Lay's original, some hoagie rolls. Gonna make some subs. Y'all already know this is my favorite. Had to re-up. We're gonna try some mangoes this week. I got some more bananas. I got her some whole grain, multi-grain cereal. This is the organic kind. I got this instead of the Gerber. I'm pretty sure this is better than Gerber. I was gonna eat this tonight, but Mama cooked some food, so I ate over there. For our little movie night, I got some vanilla ice cream. I got her some more yogurt, but this time I got strawberry, vanilla, and blueberry. And also for the movie night, I got some cookies. So I got some chocolate chunk salted caramel. I used to love salted caramel so much, so I got some. And then these right here are so good. I have not seen these in the store until today, but they're peanut butter chocolate chip. So good. I wanted to be festive, so I got some cupcakes for the movie night. Got some tenderloins and some wings. We run through eggs like we eat 5 eggs a day, me and my baby. I'm about to give my baby some milk, and then I need to fix my bed, but I don't think I'm gonna fix my bed tonight. I'm tired. I'm tired. I missed you. Nosy, bro. Can you stop being nosy? I mean, there is nothing going on. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't think I'm fixing this bed tonight. I think it's gonna stay just like this until tomorrow. Look at my baby back home.